a number of different ways to pair your phone via Bluetooth with your new Cayenne. In this video, we're going to concentrate on two: phone and devices. Select Phone. Select Start Search. On your mobile device, select Settings and then Bluetooth. You'll see your phone pop up on the PCM screen and the Cayenne pop up in the Bluetooth section of your mobile phone. Select it. You'll receive a Bluetooth pairing request. On your mobile device, select Pair, and then on the PCM screen, select Accept. Now would you like to allow your contacts and favorites to sync? Select Allow. Would you like to use CarPlay? For this video, we'll select Not Now. Your Apple device is now connected via Bluetooth. Another way to connect your Apple device via Bluetooth to your new Cayenne is through Devices. Select Devices. Connect New Devices. Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, select Settings and then Bluetooth. You will see your phone pop up on the PCM screen. On your mobile device, you'll see the Cayenne. Select it. You also receive a pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. And on your PCM screen, select Accept. Would you like to allow your contacts and favorites to sync? Select Allow. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? For this video, we're going to select Not Now. Your Apple device is now connected via Bluetooth.